Okay, express 0.864 with a dot above the 4 as a fraction. Okay, now this is recurring decimal, right? And the way I would write this is x, call it x, right? That's what I'd say to start with, let x equals, and then write it out in full. So what I mean is 0.86444, that's what's going on, isn't it, with a dot above it. We keep on going with the 4s. We can stop, right? You don't need to worry, just try to get it through done and then we sort it. What I would do then is think about making it 10, 100, 1,000 times bigger, that sort of thing. Because if you make it 10 times bigger, so we multiply x by 10, you make this 10 times bigger, the numbers shift up 1, so the 8 ends up going into units, so you end up having that 8 point, everything shifts up 1 place, so the 6 will go here, so you end up having 8.64444, all the 4s move up 1, but there's infinite amount of 4s, so it keeps going. You compare these then to see if everything's the same after the decimal point, and they're not. So we've got to keep going. We need to times it by 100. We need to times x now by 100. Okay, so it shifts 2 places, or you could just think of this now. You could think of timesing this by 10, you know, making this 10 times bigger to get to 100x. So make this 10 times bigger, so everything shifts up 1, so you get 86.44444 and so on. And again, compare then after the decimal point, and you know they're all different, aren't they? So we've got to keep going. Let's go for 1,000x. Okay, and again 1,000x. You know, you could just look at this one, can't you? 100x, making it 10 times bigger to get to 1,000. So make this 10 times bigger. Everything shifts up 1, so you get 864.444 and so on, right? Then compare after the points, and you notice then these two after the points, they're identical, aren't they? After the points, they're all the same. So what we do then is, quite simply, pair up the ones that are identical, those two there, and we'll take them away. So 1,000x take away 100x is 900x. Okay, 1,000x take away 100x is 900x. And then here, now if we take away these, you realize that the 4s will just disappear, become 0, okay? But you just need to take away these now, and it is calculator, so I'm going to use my calculator on this. I'm going to be lazy, I'm going to work it out just to make sure I get it right as well. So 778, okay? And then to get x then, quite simply, you do 778 divide by 900. Take the 900 and divide. Now I can actually check this on my calculator. If this does come up in the calculator paper, let's just check and press the SD, and you can see then it comes out exactly as I want it.